Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X5 sunroof. To begin, locate the sunroof control panel situated on your vehicle's overhead console. This panel houses the primary sliding switch that manages all sunroof operations. Familiarize yourself with its distinct positions, as each one corresponds to a specific function, whether you want to fully open the roof or simply tilt it for ventilation. It's quite intuitive once you know where to look. For a full open experience, gently slide the main control switch backward. The sunroof will retract completely, giving you maximum open-air enjoyment. If you prefer just a bit of fresh air, push the switch upward to engage the tilt function. This raises the rear of the sunroof, providing excellent ventilation without fully opening. Remember to release the switch once the sunroof reaches your preferred position. To close the sunroof, simply slide the control switch forward until it's fully shut. If your sunroof is in the tilted position, a quick push down on the switch will bring it back to its closed, flush state. It's designed for ease of use. Also, be aware that your BMW X5 sunroof includes an automatic anti-trap feature, which helps prevent obstructions during closing, adding an extra layer of safety for you and your passengers. Your BMW X5 sunroof also offers convenient one-touch operation. A single, firm press backward or forward on the switch will fully open or close the sunroof without needing to hold it. For optimal performance and longevity, it's a good idea to regularly clean the sunroof seals and tracks, ensuring smooth operation and preventing debris buildup. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.